This is that ice cold Michelle fight for the white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, them massive. Smiling, smiling, living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with a Sailor Road. Got my shot, so pretty. Hallelujah, girls sing hallelujah, girls sing hallelujah. Cause uptown funk gon' give it to you. Cause uptown funk gon' give it to you. Cause uptown funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night we in the spot. Come on, if you just want to come on. Don't forget you just want. Come on. Don't believe you just want. 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 Hey, 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 hey. Stop. Let me hear you scream your shout. Do it more. Come on, everybody. Jump. Put your hands together. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Come on. Uptown, funk you up. 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 Nothing to lose, far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim, far away, far away. Shoot me down, but I will fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I will fall. I am titanium. Let's go. Stone hearts, machine guns, firing on the ones who run. Stone hearts, and it's bulletproof glass. You shoot me down, but I shoot me down, but I won't one more time. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, jump! I will give the stage to the next performer. Si Tenten, ready na po ba kayo para kay Tenten?
Show you how to just do it like Nike. No FaceTime, but the people wanna Skype me. If I do time, then who would really write me? I stay on y'all mind, but I think they like me.
Alright guys, so this song, come on. Hi girl, this your song. Come on baby, the things that you do. Baby, it's your party, I just want. What's the sound? What's the shit that's got me like what?
I'm tryna beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, look at that body, I just wanna say. You back it up and drop it down low.
Pick it up, girl, I'm ready to blow.
Throw it up. Start looking like Miley.
Come on, mommy. Come on, Lala. Hello, what's up, everyone?
Go drop it like Miley. Start talking like Miley.
Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta dito ngayon. Ha! Medyo pagod pa kami ni Liza dahil dire-diretso ang taping ng Dolce. Si Liza may sipon, ako may ubo, pero okay lang po dahil nandito kayo. I love you guys. What's up, Yosha? Before I say anything else, I want to thank TFC sa lahat po na pumunta dito, lahat ng mga Pinoy dyan! Thank you guys so much. No matter where we are, kahit gano'n kalayo po kami, you make us feel at home, kaya mga kapamilya, tawag namin sa inyo. I love you. Tatanis here, what's up? I want to sing some new songs for you guys, pero sabi nila, dahil Barrio Fresa, kailangan Tagalog daw. Eh wala akong masyadong alam na Tagalog songs. Tsaka kahit umuulan, nandito kayo, solid talaga! Let's sing it together, right? Music, baby! Ito para sa lahat ng single dyan. Sa lahat na naniniwala na may forever. Sa lahat ng sawi sa pag-ibig, let's go! Here we go. Sabahin natin ito. Naalala ko pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita tuwing gabi. Yeah! Ang buhay ko. Sa takbo ng tutugan, ayo'y magsayawan. Sumakay sa takbo ng tutugan.
Midlands, UK. So, kanina, kumanta si Liza.
Yeah.
Inaalay yung kanta para sa'yo. Kanina naman inaalay yung kanta kanina.
Una sa lahat para sa inyo. Ang mga susunod na kanta para sa kanya.
Oh, yes naman! Nakakakilig nga! So, pero bago yan, mainit ang pagtanggap ng mga ating kababayan at kapamilya dito sa UK at buong Europa, sa Dolce Amores. Ano naman nararamdaman mo? Ten or Enrique?
It feels, yeah, it's very hot in here, huh? You guys, una sa lahat, I'm just happy to be here, you know? Na sobrang daming Pinoy sa bawat sulok ng mundo. All the way here from York, man. Thank you guys so much. I heard yung iba, lumipad pa. Papunta dito.
Yeah, may mga taga Amsterdam, may mga taga Monte Carlo, may mga taga France, may taga Cebu. Oh, lumipad pa
Taga Cebu,
galing Cebu.
Mansakoy. Kaya gagwapa mga tao dito. I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng pumunta. Mga tao sa likod na hindi ko nakikita. All you guys, thank you so much. Thank you po. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa Barrio Fiesta. Kaya nandito kami lahat para sa Pilipino. You know, Filipino for everybody. So thank you so much.
Dito. Oh no! May nangyayaring love team dito, Miss Kai. Wala sa kontrata yan, di ba? Wala. But anyway, oo, dahil si Mayora ang nag-organize dito, deserve mo naman. Okay?
Liza and Enrique.
Yes, baby.
My question is too personal, but I'm so sorry. I'm just intrigued. And then my question is, even if it's not a proper love between the two of you, is there a little, chance na merong kayong crush to each other? Please tell us the truth.
Si Tita talaga.
Alam ko may crush siya sa akin, pero... Joke lang.
Baka ikaw. May crush ka daw sa akin?
Nakikita lang siya sa akin. Hindi. Tama ka, Mami, meron.
Meron daw, Mami.
I want to be on a date here in London, man.
Actually, we've been on
Having
a
a
date.
fish and chips?
We've been on a date na already with the consult of my dad and his mom, and they were with us naman, so... Syempre,
It was cool with her dad and my mom, so... This song, as y'all know, is called Forevermore. I miss it. I hope you guys miss it too.
Miss ko na si Sander.
Miss ko na si Agnes eh. These words.
There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold of the night. I need to be here with forevermore.
Thank you guys. Naniniwala ba kayo sa Forever?
Anong mas pinapaniwalaan nyo? Tanungin natin sila, Ken. What do you guys believe in more? Forever or destiny? Wait lang! Sino yung mga forever? Raise your hand! Sino yung mga destiny dito? Wow! Maraming naniniwala sa destiny.
Sa akin kasi, it's destiny if you're meant to be with somebody forever.
To your
you know?
forever. Tama ka naman dyan.
8, 9, 10, go!
Go, straight. Stop. Right. Now eat it now. Go.
Do not
Okay,
move,
sorry,
do not
chew.
move,
Nobody
do
can
not
see
move.
you. I got you. She's eating it like an animal. You have to go faster, girl.
Stop it, Ken!
Just half.
Okay, go! Eat!
Go for it. Okay, you can't touch the banana, all right? Okay, go for it.
Okay, go!
Okay. She's, oh my gosh. She loves her bananas.
Okay, konti na lang.
Really hungry.
Konti na lang.
Oh my God!
Bigger bite!
Ambulance ready!
Ay, nako.
Ready ang ambulance!
Nako.
Baka mapulunan!
Go, Nina! You're gonna win!
Oh, okay. Just half when you're finishing it. I think we have the winner. Team Destiny. You're the winner, Team Destiny.
Destiny!
Yeah,
Wait!
go.
Pasko, paksiw, pasko, paksiw, paksiw!
Fuck you daw sabi, oh.
Last one.
Ang nirotin ko yung
It's a tie. Oh, isa pa.
Roy, sabi.
2 out of 4.
Right, before anything else, I want to say thank you to all the sponsors today. Thank you guys for all the
Yes,
fans. I think you guys are awesome, man. Thank you.
Gusto ko last mag-thank you sa lahat po ng Pinoys na pumunta dito at nagsama-sama. Thank you guys for supporting the TFC channel and the Filipino channel. And thank you guys for supporting us, mga Dolce Amore, ang Dolce Amore family. And nandun na kami ni Ken. Thank you guys so much for coming your way. Ang balita ko marami din po ng travel. Thank you for talagang nag-effort kayo. Thank you for that. And we love you very much. And we hope this is not
na magpunta kami dito sa United Kingdom.